We are thrilled to welcome pets on board Virgin Australia domestic flights.
So say goodbye to boarding kennels and pet sitters.
And say hello to family holidays with every family member. First, you'll need to ensure your pet is fit to fly.
That means they're over 8 weeks and vaccinated. If your pet has existing health conditions, is pregnant or recovering from surgery, you will need a veterinary certificate.
Next, let's prepare your dog for flying.
Place an absorbent mat into an approved, soft-sided, leak-proof carrier like this one.
Pets must remain in the carrier at all times. So before check-in, feel free to use the pet relief area located outside the terminal. The combined weight of your pet and carrier must be under 8 kilograms. At check-in, simply fill out the pet acceptance form, attach the green tag to your carrier and take your green security seal and boarding pass to security.
Once cleared, you need to immediately put your pet back in their carrier, attach the green security tag and head to the departure gate.
The Virgin Australia Lounge and airport food outlets are no-go areas for pets, no matter how cute they are.
Offer your pet a small meal a few hours prior to departure. Avoid heavy meals close to travel time as this may cause tummy upsets.
Once on board, proceed to your allocated window seat in either rows 18 or 20 and place your carrier on an absorbent mat under the seat in front of you. This way, we can keep the aisles and exits clear.
And your pet will feel safe and calm knowing you're right by their side.
Your pet must remain in the carrier for the duration of the flight, as you disembark the aircraft, and as you exit the airport terminal. So curl up, relax, and enjoy your flight with Virgin Australia.